Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'm Trix, and in today's video I'm going to be smelling some candles and attempting to describe them to you. So these are candles from Bath & Body Works. If you like Bath & Body Works candles or Bath & Body Works in general and you would like to watch more haul videos, I'll leave that playlist in the description box down below so you can check it out after you check out today's video. So in today's video, we are going to be going through some of their springtime / summer scents. All of these candles are the 1-wick candles. I like both the 3-wick and the 1-wick candles. I think they're both great values. However, these were purchased during whenever they were having like their 40% off sale or something like that a few weeks back, and I just could not pass up the price of the 1-wick candles with the 40% off. So let's get into them. This purchase is a purchase that I made with my mom. So some of these candles are going to be the exact same. So if you have never seen any of the 1-wick candles from Bath & Body Works, this is what they look like. As you are going to see in today's haul video, they're not all like very like simple and minimalistic like this. Some of them do, they have their designs. All of their 1-wick candles are 7 ounces and they run approximately 25 to 45 hours worth of burn time. And as I'm reading the bottom, I am seeing that they don't have any sort of description notes, so I'm going to have to read those from my phone. But our first scent is Peach Bellini. So I'm definitely picking up on the peach. This is the actually 2 summers ago, I think it was, I first found the Peach Bellini candles and fell in love with them. I think it is such a refreshing scent, perfect for springtime. So this does smell like heavily peached, obviously, but with a slight like sweet twist to it, which I assume is the Bellini portion, like the alcohol sort of scent to it, but it's not overly sweet or anything like that. It's sort of just like a happy little perk to this candle. So the fragrance notes in the Peach Bellini candles are succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, sweet oranges with essential oil. Next we have limoncello. Ooh, so this is for the lemon citrus fans out there. That smells really good. And in all honesty, all I'm picking up is the lemon scent in here. It has like a slight like kind of undertone scent. It's like frosting almost, but once again, not super sweet. I'm not a big fan of super sweet candles, by the way. Let me know in the comments down below if you are. The scent note of the limoncello candles are Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, lemon zest with essential oils. That lemon zest is really coming through, let me tell you. So I'm not going to smell them, but since this is a haul video, just wanted to say I got another one of the limoncello and the Peach Bellini. Next up we have orange ginger, or orange and ginger. This is part of the Bath & Body Works aromatherapy collection. This smells very soap-like. It smells, I'm not really smelling the orange at all. I'm just smelling the ginger. Kind of like a ginger soap. Smells good though. And the aromatherapy collection from Bath & Body Works features a really simplistic blend. It just has whatever scents are listed. So this just has orange essential oil and ginger essential oil in it. So one of their summer scents that I picked up was Suntan. Love the little octopus on there. This just smells like sunscreen in a candle, which is great because that's the scent that I wanted. Such a calming scent. Now the Suntan candle has fragrance notes of sun-kissed citrus, orange blossoms, and coconut husk. We have linen and lavender, and like I said a few minutes ago, sometimes it is just the glass container with the label here, and sometimes the label, like in the 3-wick candles, does go all the way around. This one is beautiful. Linen and lavender. This just smells soft. Like, I know that that's a weird way to describe it, but it smells soft. I can't really pick up on the lavender or the linen. It's not really strong either way. It just smells comforting and soft. It just smells comforting and sort of like a really cozy blanket, which I guess is like the feeling they're trying to manufacture when you light this candle. So the fragrance notes in this linen and lavender candle are crisp linen, lavender sea salt, and fresh air breeze. Ah, that sounds lovely, doesn't it? Bottle some of that fresh air breeze. We have another aromatherapy candle. This is the rose vanilla, and this smells, I'm gonna have to see if they have this in just like a body spray scent, because this smells amazing. I would love to have like a body spray or perfume like this. And this smells like the perfect rose vanilla blend. Not too sweet, like not too vanilla, not too heavy on the rose. So the rose vanilla candle, by the way, is an online exclusive. And yeah, I wanted to make sure just to see if it wasn't like a certain type of rose. This just has rose and vanilla essential oils in it. And our last candle is a candle that I actually purchased, or I think my mom purchased it a few candle haul videos back. This used to be my favorite aromatherapy scent in all of their like body products. Loved the lotion, but now all they have in it is the candle. So I try to pick up the candle whenever I can. It is the aromatherapy vanilla and patchouli candle, and this just has the notes of vanilla and patchouli in it. It is so calming, slightly like a deep and complex, even though it just has those two notes. It's a deep and complex sort of scent. Definitely something that you could burn all day, but to me, this is more so like a nighttime scent. After work or after the day, really calm you out scent. So these candles should definitely last us this summer, probably, hopefully, maybe not. I don't know when I'm going to have my next Bath & Body Works candle haul for you, but if you do want to see more candle hauls from me, make sure you click that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way you will be notified when my future candle haul videos go live. Let us know down below which one of these candles have you either tried and absolutely love or hate, or you think you would like to get. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.